Hello everyone, this is Fazalur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you are doing well in your lives and you're watching my project videos. Today about your project on smart parking system. Okay, QR code based smart parking system. So right now nowadays what is happening is nothing but so many people are suffering with parking slots availability in different locations. For an example here, if a family or in person is visiting say shopping mall or cinema halls, the parking slots are not available. If they are available also, they are fully occupied. So what we are trying to implement in this project is nothing but we will create an application from where users can book the parking slot while leaving from their home or before arriving to that particular location. Okay, they can book the parking slot. They can check the parking slots availability in locations and they can book through this app, through their mobile phones or website. Okay, before arriving that particular location, they can book the slot such that when they reach, they will be having some sort of ticket if they show it and they will be allotted the slot. You can see this is the landing page of our project where we are having the steps, how we are going to perform the smart parking system. Firstly, location, then vehicle, then QR code we have to scan, then smart parking system. Let me tell you what are the technologies we are using in this project. For front-end development, we are using HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript. For backend programming, we are using Python here, along with the Django framework, which is the topmost framework to develop web applications in Python. For database, we are using MySQL. Let's get started. In this project, we have got around two different types of users are there. One is the administrator who will have the entire permissions to manage this system. And next is the user who will check and book the parking slots. Let's go to administrator here. To execute it very well, I will open these two different users into different tabs. Let me open first admin and in new tab, I will open the user. Let's go to administrator and try to log in with admin credentials here. Admin login is successful. You can see here, we have given a simple dashboard kind of user interface for the administrator where we can see some sort of information in the dashboard like total bookings, how many have been done today, parking slots, okay, available slots today, how many are there, vehicles, how many are there, and owners. And under parking management, we can see here add parking slots is there. Let's go to there and try to add a location here, parking slots details here. So I'll provide a name here. Let's say MX Theater, and phone number for reaching out is how many slots are available over there. 80 slots, available slots, all that area 80 slots are available and total area slots capacity is 80. Parking session is 24/7. You can mention morning, afternoon, anything like that. Pin code is something and time starts booking time and booking ends time. So let's say booking starts at 7 in the morning and ends at 11 in the night. Let's add the slot. Slot added successfully. Likewise, I can add any number of slots and let's add another slot here. Total number of slots is 150 here. Available slots are 150 capacity are available. And it is, let's say, evening and night time only. Pin code is something. Booking starts at 4, ends at 7. This slot is also added successfully. If we go to manage parking slots, we will see here two different slots added details here. If you want to update any information, we can click on update here. By default, you can see Parking charges per hour automatically we have given in the back end 50 rupees per hour. Charging, okay, we are charging here 50 rupees per hour for the parking slot, every slot. If you want, you can update any information here, okay, like PIN number or anything, and the information will be updated. Next, if you want, you can delete as well. On the parkmate option, we have got here issue ticket is there. If any customer is having the booking here, it will come generate report, and these two options, parkmate and feedback, we will see, okay, after completing the user module. Let's go to user module. Here you can see this is the login page of the user. Let's try to first create an account by registering here. I will create an account. Phone number, select vehicle type. Okay, I'm having a car in city Hyderabad, and my license number I have to provide here. PS EH1234. Upload the profile picture in this application. So let's upload the profile picture. Register. Here user registration successfully done. Now let's try to log in with the same credentials. Password, okay, we have not entered the password. So where is the password now? Password at the time of registration, whatever the email you have provided to that mail ID, you will receive the password. Okay, let me go and check the password and give it here. You can see here there is a password. Dear customer, your login password is this. Let's copy. Come back to our application and provide the password here. Login. Login is successful. This is the dashboard of the user. Simply just we have created a dashboard kind of, okay, user interface for the user. Now, book slot is an option here. You can go and check here. Two different slots are available by this provider, okay, by the smart parking service provider. These are the two different, what do you call, the QR codes for booking the slots are available. Let me scan the QR codes and check what is the information it displays. In the first QR code, I am getting here parking location, PVR, cinema, contact number is available, total slots 150, available slots 150. Booked slots, how many slots are booked? That information also, it is available after scanning this, okay, QR code. Next session, evening and night is there, parking start time 4, booking end time 7, PIN number is there, parking charges is also mentioned in this QR code, 50 rupees. So all the information is there. Let me click on book slot such that from here, the slot will be booked. Okay, you have to upload here the license plate, your image, your, okay, license plate you have to upload. Let's upload that. Here I'm having some images. Let me upload this. Review is displayed. Let's click on submit. After submission of the license plate image, you can see the parking slot booked successfully. So we are using here some machine learning algorithm, machine learning concept where if you upload the license plate image automatically based on the license plate, the number of the license plate will be extracted and it will be stored in the database. So that's the concept here. So those who are booking the parking slot, they need to compulsory upload their license plate such that based on the license number only, the parking slot ticket will be issued. You can see the message here now, parking booked successfully. Now, if I try to scan this one more time, let me check what it will display the data. Okay, now booked slots is 1, available slots 149. In my mobile, after I scan this, it's showing 149 available slots and booked slots is 1. Okay, so this is the way we can book. Now under my bookings, you can see here, there is one booking is there, but the allotment will not be done immediately. The administrator needs to issue the ticket to you after the verification of your details. Let's go to administrator and under ParkMate, let's go to issue ticket. And you can see there is a booking we have received from the administrator side. Okay, one user puzzle car and his mobile, his vehicle number is this. Who provided this vehicle number? I did not provide anything. Automatically, our machine learning algorithm have extracted this data, this text from the image, license plate image, what we have uploaded. Okay, vehicle number, license number we have given. Okay, vehicle number is this, license number we have given. Now the next is parking charges right now 0, issue ticket. So ticket will be issued. Now let's see here. Once I come and refresh this my bookings page, you can see here one with this vehicle number, with this date and car, PVR Cinema Hall, a ticket is issued to me. Now suppose for an example, I have gone to the location and the ticket is issued and I park the vehicle after 1 hour, 2 hour, I want to check out. So there is an option here, check out. There is no need of human interaction, just check out. So once you click on checkout, based on the time, it will calculate and it will display you. Parking date is this, parking time is this, and out time is this. 1 hour. How much charges? 50 rupees charges here based on the time allocated for this particular user. And now we have to pay this 50 rupees. You can see some payment kind of, okay, task we have implemented. Name on the card is displaying here. And we can display some information. We can give some dummy data, card number, CVV, expiry date. Okay. Now let's make payment. 12 characters. Please text to 16 characters or more. Okay. Make payment. 4 characters. So after the validations, you can see the payment has been done successfully. Now under my booking history, I can go and check here. There is one booking to me from this location, PVR Cinema. Contact number is this, area pin code is this, parking date, in time, out time. Okay, and total parking time, 1 hour, parking amount. Okay, status is checkout. Now, if you want, you can give the feedback of this specific parking slot. Okay, specific parking slot, not overall feedback. If you have 10 different locations in 10 days, different locations, 10 different parking locations and parking slots, you can give 10 different feedbacks. So let's give the feedback here. And awesome service from the provider. I like it very much. Okay, check out, send feedback, send successfully. Now let's go to my profile. We can see this is my profile. If I want, I can update anything from here. Let's go to administrator here. And under generate report, if we go now, you can see 50 rupees charging is charged for this user. And under feedback, if we go view feedbacks, this is the feedback and this is the feedback given by the user with this rating, and the sentiment analysis using machine learning. What it says is nothing but this feedback comes under a category class, which is nothing but very positive. Based on this, we have displayed the emoji as well. Now, if we go to feedback analysis, you can see here very positive one. Okay, rating is there, one review is there. One feedback is there of very positive. Positive, very negative, negative, neutral. No, nothing is there because we don't have any data. Only one user is there. For that only we have got this. So in this way, we are trying to implement here smart car parking system or a vehicle parking system. You can say, in fact, it's not only car. Many options are there. Truck is also there. Bus is also there. Many options are there. So we have tried to implement the concept in a very secure and easy environment using machine learning and image processing. Hope you have understood the things very clearly. If you have any issues regarding the explanation or execution, you can get back to me. My number has been given. You can ping me on WhatsApp directly. So with this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.